failures are part of the success, and we should start treating failure as the amazing thing. My name is Vikram, and today I'm going to tell you that you should start living the failure and how to treat failure as the amazing thing. We haven't seen anyone who has done all the things in the right way and has got massive success. We haven't come across any person on this planet. So we need to start loving the failures. When we know that we're gonna face the failures, when we know that and when we are aware that there's gonna hardship while achieving the huge success, you should start